I just went to start my BoxyCharm unboxing and Kitten came to see me. Hey, Onyx. And he's so happy, so I can't kick him off my lap right now. Look how cute he is. Anyway, this is Tanya Atomic, and this is my BoxyCharm unboxing close-up style. My BoxyCharm came a little bit early this month, so I'm pretty happy. It got a little dinged, but I think it'll be fine. BoxyCharm, if you don't know, it's a monthly subscription makeup and skincare, hair care box. It's about $25 a month, and you usually get typically anywhere from like $100 to like $300 worth of product. And let's open up and see what we have this month. Look, he's grabbing. So cute. So look how interested he is. What did we get this month? So you do get this, oh, it's fantasy. You get this postcard every month that tells you about everything and the price ranges. And let's take a look. Let's see, what do we have here? This is the Ultra 8-in-1 CBD Mist Styling Aid. I feel like this is for your hair. Towel-dried hair. Okay, cool. I love this stuff. I have really frizzy curly hair, so I love this stuff. Do you like that, Onyx? Onyx does not care for that. Okay, let's see what else is in here. What's this? The next thing is flour from Beauty Bakery. Setting powder. Cool. I've been actually wanting to try this. So it's the flour setting powder from Beauty Bakery. Comes in this cute little bag. And I like that. Let's see. What's the next thing? Basie Beauty. Oh, he likes this one. It's lip oil. Oh, he really likes this one. Okay, so this one is Onyx approved lip oil. And it looks like it's just clear. Yeah, he still likes it. Okay. The next thing in here, I'm saving this big one for last. The next thing in here is Mud Masky, I don't know. Reduces dark circles. I need that. Actually, I found a Murad eye cream that reduces dark circles, although it's drying. But I'll try this too. And then the very last thing in here is from Ilamasqua, the Unveiled Artistry Palette. Oh, he's interested. Slightly. He likes the lip oil the best. And he's slightly interested. I have to like open this. Let me pause. Okay, so I got that open. It's a really neat shape, and it's a pretty neutral palette. The shade names are on the little plastic thing, which I don't love, but it's pretty. So I would definitely use this, for day to day. He's looking for the lip oil. He found, oh, he really likes that lip oil. Yeah, he's into that lip oil. Anyway, that is everything in this box. So let me know what you think. And as always, thanks for, oh my gosh, he's so funny. Okay, now this stuff belongs to my kitty, I guess. Thanks for watching.